Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna look at a hardware that I didn't have back in the 90s when I had an Amiga. It's a CD-ROM drive add-on for the Amiga 500. Well, this is only the motherboard for it, but it's tested and it works, as the seller told me. Well, it's called A570, and this is how the released motherboard looks. But what I have over here is the casing for the CD-ROM drive. But before it got released and called the 570, it was actually called the 690. Now no screws are on, so let's open this bad boy and look at what's inside of it. Well, let's start with the bottom of it. It says, I have to be careful because the plastic on the top and in the front is in a real nice condition. And I don't know in the Amiga world, but in my world, this is a very rare add-on for the Amiga 500. Oh, it's got a lot of dust. As you can see, Commodore model A690. The power information, and it says Proto, so it's a prototype. Here you got the serial number, made in Japan. So it's a prototype model here. There we go. I hate working with only one hand, but let's be careful. The top cover is off. Nice. Let's look at the main board here. As you can see, it says December of 1991. So I think this was released for the general public in 1992. And as you can see down here on the main board, it says Commodore 590 revision 2.2. I think we should try to pop this one out. There we go. Let's look at what's inside of it. I mean, this one is prototype, so the ROM version and all that is not the released version, so it's obviously not the same as the one over here. But because this is the common version. Oh, it's got an expansion here too. Oh, you can screw off a plate here, metal plate. Don't know what else you could expand it with, but let's look at the chips here. 80, what does it say? No, that's the expansion. 65, 25, 37th week of 1991. Sanyo here, probably something for the CD-ROM reader. Yeah, this is how the prototype looks. And look at this. This is obviously also from Commodore. Maybe this is the ROM chip. I don't know. Version 1.0 C48D. Let's see what this is. This means that it's tested and it works. Well, this one says no. As you can see, 992 version 2.3, something newer. Other than that, they look pretty similar. You can see this one has connector here. This one in the casing had this new connector. It's loose here. I don't know what. It's some extra expansion. I don't know what you could put in, because the CD-ROM drive gets connected here, just like on the released version. So I don't know what this expansion does, but this one was included. So yeah, I don't know what it does. But guys, I just want to show you prototype model A590 and show you the difference between the prototype and the release version. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.